what's up you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today I'm really excited and kind of nervous, and yeah, it's just a busy day because I'm gonna be packing for my New York trip with my best friend. So I'm really excited. I leave Thursday night. Today's Tuesday, but I'm packing today because I want to see if I need to go to the mall last minute or something. I'm more than likely gonna go today just because there are some things that I need to get, but I really want to get started with packing just so I can make sure that I'm not gonna forget anything when I go to the mall. But anyways, I'm really excited. I think I mentioned it to you guys, this is gonna be my third time going, but every other time I went in November, the beginning of November. So I've never gone during the summer. I know it's going to be very, very hot. So my whole wardrobe for this trip is gonna be completely different than my previous trips. So I'm really excited to see New York during the summer. But anyways, I really wanna get started because it's been a super busy week and I just wanna be like packed. That way I can just focus on work stuff and not have to worry about packing last minute or anything. So let's head over to the bedroom so we can get started. All right, we're in the bedroom now. I'm gonna show you guys what luggage I'm taking. We are checking in a bag each for free, luckily. So I have no idea what I'm packing. I don't know what to pack for a summer trip. So I just have this suitcase. To not have just an empty suitcase lying around, I use it as like storing stuff. So the sucky part is that I always have to empty it all out. And in here, I basically just keep like more like extra towels, my other sheets and stuff, my old cell phone. I don't know why. Do you guys keep your old cell phones? I kind of just want to toss it because I'm like afraid if I open it and then I see like old text messages or old pictures with people, I'm just like, it's probably not good. Ooh, okay, this is the downside of not having extra closet space in your apartment is just have to figure it out. The majority of my stuff is obviously gonna fit in here like perfectly fine. I made a little makeshift luggage stand thing. I don't know what you call it. I've always wanted one of those. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like what you have like at like Airbnbs or like guest bedrooms for people to put their luggage on. That's what I want so badly whenever I have a guest bedroom. But for now, we're gonna use this table. Now, I don't really want all of this stuff out like this, so I'm just gonna put it in this bag. The trip has honestly not hit us yet. Like, I don't know how we're going to end up in New York in a couple of days. I'm really excited though. I think we're gonna have an awesome time. Obviously, how could we not? I think it's because me and my friend have been having pretty busy weeks that it hasn't allowed us the time to like get super excited for it yet. But we are excited. It's gonna be so much fun. This is the base weekender, convertible weekender bag. So they have a weekender and this is just their newest version, but I love it so much. They have it in a beige and I was debating on what color, but I decided all of my traveling stuff is just gonna be black, and then all of like the accessories can be the beige color. This is the base cosmetic bag. This is the beige color. So considering how dirty it's starting to get, I was just thinking like, I don't want my bag that's going to be exposed to all the elements while traveling to get super dirty. What's awesome is that these have, where is it? You unzip this, there you go. So what's cool is that this is another little pocket, but whenever you have your suitcase, you open this up and you put the handles right through. So obviously I can do that with this suitcase. All right, I need to give you guys a close-up of this bag because it's pretty sweet. Okay, so we got a zipper. I like how it just like flattens down for easy storage. But what's cool is that when you want to open it, it like just opens up so easily. There's a lot of storage right here. We got a zipper, some pockets, and then we even have a strap so that you're not just holding it like a regular bag. And what's cool about the convertible is that it comes with a laptop sleeve. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take my laptop this time, but at least that's an option. And what's cool is that right here you could put your shoes. Clearly I have not used it yet. It actually just came in this past weekend, so that's why I have not used it yet. You could fit some shoes right here. Love this bag. I'm really excited to use that one. And then I've showed you guys this one before. This one I love. I put all my makeup in here, and then I also am able to fit some skincare stuff. Here you put your brushes, which I have to clean, I have to remember. And then in this little pocket comes with a pretty good sized mirror. And then that way you could just like do your makeup whenever you want, or wherever you want, I mean. I just love how organized you could be in this. And then what's cool is that this is like a little magnet, so it sticks on really easily. I honestly don't even know what I'm taking. And if I haven't made it clear enough, I am not a fashionable person. Like, I mean, I love fashion. I can see something and be like, I love that outfit, but I can't piece outfits together. I don't know what to shop for. I literally like, I don't know what to buy, where to buy it, whatever. I'm slowly learning, but yeah, I'm gonna get started. It's starting to get hot in here.
Where the hell did all your friends go? They got a job in the city and a kid you used to be so close. Jane.
Alright, you guys need to see the color palette right now. This is literally my entire wardrobe. It's these shades. And then I'm taking these shoes because I love them. These heels are so comfortable. They're from Lulu's. Well, the first time I wore them, they were painful, but after that, they were all good. And then I'm just gonna take these because they're simple, they're gonna go with everything. I think I'm gonna hop on Instagram and look at some inspo and then head straight to the mall because I don't want it to get too late or anything. That's literally all I have right now. Like, I have nothing. Oh, I'm tripping. I need my jeans and stuff. Okay, I'm going to be taking these pants. I love these pants. These are from Zara. But yeah, I'll pack like underwear and like socks after and stuff. So when I go to the mall and I go to Zara, I'm hoping that they have black flared jeans. Honestly, my PJs are t-shirts. All right, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I need to go to the mall. It's not gonna be too crazy. I just really want more like flowy dresses, like day dresses and stuff. So, but I'll show you guys how I pack everything up. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the mall now. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys after. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday when I got back from the mall, I was so tired. I swear I am not a shopping person. I get extremely just like overwhelmed, especially if I go alone. I'd rather go with people. So the fact that I was going alone, it was too much. It was too much. I was so tired after, and it was starting to get dark. But I do want to pick up where we left off basically, and also give you guys a little haul because I did get some stuff from Zara, and I actually got a few pieces from H&M. I was actually very surprised with H&M. I was not expecting to find some stuff. I hadn't shopped there in literal years, probably since college or something, but yeah, I found some good stuff. Okay, so let's get into the haul. We're gonna start with Zara. So I got this top, but I'm actually thinking about returning it just because I tried it on and it wasn't the most flattering. It kind of just like flattens out everything. But this is the back and there's the front. It's really cute, it has embroidery on it. It's really, really cute, but like I said, it didn't fit the way that I would like it to. So, gonna think about that. I got this cute top. It's the summer and I kind of want to have like some more fun outfits. So I got this top. I think it's a halter top. I'm the worst. Like, I have no idea what these tops are called. It's cute, it's cute. Like, I don't normally wear orange. I don't think I have anything orange. So this, like, I put it on. It was very, very cute. I also got this really cute top. All the styles right now are like very, I don't know what era. I want to say some of the stuff that they had was 70s. Some of it was very 90s, which I loved. Yeah, anyways, there's this top. Really cute. Love that one. I also got this skirt. It's actually a skirt. Sorry. It's a skirt. So way better. But this is the detailing They're just little flowers. Super cute. Love that one. Oh yeah, I got a pair of black jeans that are mini flare because I just have like skinny ones. Okay, so that's all I got from Zara. Now let me show you what I got from H&M. First is this skirt that was actually on sale. So originally it's $25. I got it for $15.99. All right, so it's really cute. I don't have skirts. I don't wear skirts. I have one pair of denim shorts. Like, I don't own skirts like this. So I'm very excited to finally have one, and it fit really, really nicely. And I love that it has like this little scrunched detailing at the waist. So it just made it feel a lot more comfortable. I also got this really cute bodysuit. I love the back. It's just like open like that. This is the detailing. There's little cute flowers. Super cute. Then I got this dress, which I wish I got in a size medium. I got it in a small. I don't even know why I got it in a small. All my stuff is medium, and I think it's because when I was looking at them, they all looked like oversized almost, like they looked pretty big, but it still fits. It still fits, and it's super cute. It has a slit on the side, and the color is just so cute. I love this color. And I'm just gonna wear this with like my sneakers and stuff. Basically everything I'm wearing with sneakers except for my night outfits. So I FaceTimed my best friend last night so we can like see what we're packing and everything and get some ideas. And homegirl packs by outfits. Like, I do not. I'm always the one that just picks out like pieces and takes them along, and then I figure out an outfit while I'm there. But now I realize that it is better to set up like different outfits and stuff. But anyways, that is a little haul for you guys. I'm also packing a bathing suit. I'm just taking my basic like black bathing suit, some bralettes. I think it's time to pack up.
Would it be lonely to live above the bright blue sky as I gaze you? I let the light shine on me. No matter how close I see.
Alright you guys, so this is what it's looking like. We're pretty much good to go. So, okay. So I have all my clothes in here, and then in here, remember I showed you the little shoe compartment. I can fit 3 pairs right here, and it's perfect. So I'm just gonna close that up, and then that goes like this. This is gonna be one of the bags that I'm taking, as well as this new clutch. These are from Hobo the Original, and I love it. This new clutch is awesome because I can put my little ID right here. There's a bunch of space in here. And then what's so awesome too is that there's also space in here. So this is where I'm gonna be putting my vaccine card. And then there's also some space right here. So this little wallet clutch is seriously so awesome. I have to take out some stuff from my wallet. These are some other things that I know have to go in here to just have at hand. So I have like my deodorant, my chapstick, sunglasses, mints, hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put my jewelry in there too, just easy access. These are little bags where the Ana Luisa jewelry comes in, so I just reuse them for traveling, so they're really awesome. So these are things that are gonna go in my luggage because it's gonna get checked in, as well as this because I don't really want to carry this. It's kind of heavy. I have some mouthwash, my travel toothbrush, some toothpaste, my travel CeraVe moisturizer and face wash. I have this little spray. It's like a Febreze spray just to freshen up your clothing, and it also de-wrinkles. And then I have some cotton swabs, and then some little travel perfumes, my shampoo, body wash, conditioner, allergy spray just in case, some razors, facial razor, and some zit patches. And then this one you guys saw me pack. I just have my brushes. I'm actually going to clean these, but I wanted to show you what it looked like all together. So then in these little individual baggies, I just put my makeup stuff because I just don't want anything to like spill. I just like to keep it divided like that. Have my sunscreen, and yeah, basically all my makeup stuff, and then some extra skincare stuff, and then my makeup remover. And then the last thing I have to pack is my camera, but obviously I'm using it and I'm going to be editing this video tonight. So yeah, the other things must have. Okay, so this is my travel bag. It's so cute. I love it. And I got this one on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link all of my stuff down below if you guys are interested in spicing up your traveling gear. And so I'm obviously taking my AirPods. This is just, I need to charge. This is my portable charger. This thing holds so much battery, it's insane. This one I also got from Amazon. I totally forgot I should take a jacket. I'm going to take this black denim jacket because it just goes with everything, and just in case. It's gonna be so hot in New York, but I'm just gonna take one just in case. Thank you guys so much for packing with me. I need to work on some actual work stuff and water my plants and then edit this video. So thank you guys for watching. The next videos you'll see will be of me in New York. So I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing. But if you wanna follow along with me and my best friend on our little New York adventure, then don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because I will be sharing so many fun stories on there. And on TikTok, I'm gonna be doing those fun little daily vlogs. I don't know if you guys saw my TikTok videos from Mexico, but every single day, I just took little clips throughout the day showing you like day 1 in Mexico, day 2, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing for New York. So don't forget to follow me on there as well if you wanna see some fun videos on there. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you can watch the New York vlog. And that's basically it. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time.
It's just so